नाश्ता।
सोहिल, क्या खाना खा रहे हो?
ओए ओए।
Sohil, what you're eating? Sohil is having his breakfast. Sohil, show me how do you eat. Come on. Don't mess up your table, okay, Sohil? Very good. Good boy. Sohil.
इधर देखो।
Gulu. Is it nice? Is your breakfast nice? Sohil. It's yummy. It's yummy. Eat slowly, Sohil. Eat slowly. Sohil. Dham. It's okay, don't worry. It's okay, don't worry. Sohil. See, your food is here on the table. That's your table. Have your food. मम्मा इसको एप्पल देना. Hey Gulu. Okay, you have your breakfast and then I'll see you after your breakfast. Okay, Sohil, bye. So say bye-bye. Bye, Gulu, bye. Bye. What is that, Sohil? It's apple. Sohil, that's apple. You like apple? Do you want to eat apple? Come on. Tino, apple Tino. Good boy.